Kia Optima light blinking. That's the problem. See, you can see here headlight also like this flickering, and here all those parking light and everything blinking. That's the problem you can see here. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. See, inside this fuse box there is a sound for relay. But this is good. I check everywhere. I check this one and that body control, everything I check, everything is perfect, wiring, fuse and everything is perfect, but there is some loose connection. I think that's why this sound came, cause relay on off. And then I check here in the engine room, all those wiring and everything. They told me to remove here everything. So what I find out here, you can see there is a ground connection, and here you can see this is loose for this fuse box and everything. See, this is, they did not fix it properly. See, this ground connection loose. See, and that's the problem. This, see, they didn't fix it properly, so I do fix now proper, and then check. Now it's strong. Check now. Start car and then turn on headlight. Now it's perfect. See, there is no blinking, nothing. See, everything is perfect. Light on. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Here you can see now there is no blinking and nothing. Everything is perfect. See, headlight on.